Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my channel. So the next part from the first unit, and the way it is a very this is a very important part. Okay, and every time the question is asked in the university. Okay, so the next part is a descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics is nothing as I already told you, not it is nothing but a summarize or organization of the characteristics of the data set, and a data set is nothing but what a collection of responses and the observation from the sample. Okay, so we can directly go through the types of the statistics, because it is already what is a descriptive statistic is already told you in a last video. Okay, so there are three types. First one is a distribution concern the frequency of each value. Second one is a central tendency. This is a very important topic. And the last one is what variability or the dispersion, which concerns how the spread out the values are. Okay, so we will see the first and very important topic is a measure of a tendency. Measure of a central tendency, it is one of one it is a one number measure of a central tendency is a one number summary of the data that typically describe the center of the data. Okay, it means what it represents the center point or the typical value of the data set. Example of this measure, which includes the mean, mode, median. Okay, this statistic indicates whether the most value in a distribution fall and are also referred to as a central location of the distribution. Okay, so you can think of the central tendency as a propensity of the data points to cluster around a middle value. Okay, so mean, mode, median are the three most common measure of a central tendency, and each one calculates the central point using the different method. Okay, so choosing the best measure of the central tendency, that is choosing one method from this mean, mode, median is depending upon the type of the data you have. Okay, so we will see this with the help of example. Okay, what is a mean? First is what mean. Mean is defined as a ratio of ratio of the sum of all the observation in the data to the total number of the observation. It is also called as average. Okay, and thus the mean is a number around which the entire set is spread. Okay, so there is one formula for this. Mean is the average of the given number and is calculated by dividing the sum of given number by the total number of numbers. Okay, so this is a example. Okay, this is a data set, that is a this is a given data 17, 16, 21. Okay, the formula for this is what mean equal to sum of all the observation upon total number of observation. Sum of all observation, this is called as a observation upon total number of observation, that is a total of this number, that is a total count of this number. Okay, so you have to add 17, 16, 21 till 23. And what is the count of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So addition of this all the number upon 10. So 178 is the total of all these numbers upon 10. Okay, 10 is a total count of this number. So the mean is what? 17.8. This is a value of the mean. Okay, so thank you. This is all about the mean and the measure of the central tendency. We will see in a next lecture.